I love Honda XR75s. They are super cool 4-stroke dirt bikes, which so many people learnt to ride on. This one is a definite project and is a 1977 model. Unfortunately, the motor is seized, so to me, that will be the first job if you're going to take on the project. Although it is seized, it does select all of the gears, so that's very good news. If you wanted the engine unseizing and building by a professional engine builder, I could do that for you as a paid job, which we could sort out if you buy the bike. Looking over the bike, it does need pretty much everything doing, but if you want a restoration project, they all pretty much do anyway, sometimes even the ones that look as though they've been already done. The general condition of the engine casings and cylinder, etc. is very good. The exhaust could do with a little bit of straightening out and obviously painting. It's nice to see some of the original Honda stickers on there, which I love. I love to see those things. It's going to need a new seat foam and a cover. The wheels, forks and chrome parts all need re-chroming. And the plastics have seen better days, so you will need to find replacements for that. But overall, it looks to be really complete and really original, which is really good news again. Left hand side of the tank has a dent in, which will need to be pushed out before painting. I do love these little bikes, they're absolutely gorgeous. Any questions, feel free to ask. I'd be happy to do the engine and some of the restoration work for anyone who's looking for a bike but doesn't want to do the whole thing. Contact me on 01772 394 150 or email matt@phoenixmotos.com. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe or follow me.